Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Papa ya oka sei o kire se ofri Central Region oye fantini utie ni kasa na oka ne so de a oye pure fancy na papa ni nsem a oka nyina ne se e wo me se wiase afa na nyina ye den ena bia ka Ghana but Ghana for say ofri Central Region so ke yehwe mpo aka Central Region for do moto abapa ma NDC for ba papa ni nsem oka nyina ne se o hwe the way a weda no esiko the way abrochi for so air company say we are say den na Ghana for ye kasa na ke be ya kan ye maintain NPP for na because 2024 ye boye humusu ekoto aba di ma NDC amayoko na situation no e be ye worse than the ye komi nti ye make sure say 2024 abato no de ye be modern ato aba no e de ama NDC sorry, NPP amayoko na ya sake NDC no more composition forever. Na say NDC for no in 2024 etwem na say 2027 to 2060. Na say NDC for no say almost sanso abebi odi a. Na na make sure some do ni papa for kra na eba. Some ampenda da John Dramani Mahama dia. And NDC for opposition dey forever and ever. Nya dem bebi o. Abusanfo yenti nsema Papa ede etuja.
Yo bra, na modikano. Ya mention pa mesma I control program no. And majestically and authentically no bibia ko ya menshraw. The ye na yen take one day. If it is coincidence has to do it well, we must do it care. And if it must be done well. In encounter the MPP or the government everything now boa am ya ko yi ko boss assassinate do. Share common confirmable yetima bushe and yesre yemani yako yentuma sa yenti biu and together me kana go bia impa ba so baba prahu e de amambu ba se this sa we are going to be in the void amuna donko ni babu komiti yesre obi anhwe de MPP betuma de yako yenyem ya me say na atu continue.
Any other key stakeholders are almost like these people that like brokers and things like that basically adentia yem fa ne say ende ebra so say me ko pensioner ye say fund na ya setinti no ye tua me sika ni na de ye den e de mame now yes say insurance ena edu now esan say yem pese e be den e be da wa chinti ana say bia e de problem bebre wunti no wo sa onipa kon no sa insurance no sa stabilization fund na ya ye no enhwe ne ye nhwe wo entima me ne papa wutie me wo fie mesremo so obi ka kire wo say ende okọ pension na onya ne pensioner eye tro enye sa ne tie mesremo eni die mu ara because ye me say ye mpanifo ni bi no ye hu dia ye chese mentiase and that is why I started with that MPP communication. Say what is going on? Because you guys are playing just like Boabian Samoa did. Only that you people have the name. Abua Papo, Usubempa. But Usubempa, we need more action, say. With all due respect. You need more action. We need to see more stuff. Counters. Because this party called NDC, the only thing you can win with them is when you keep giving them facts and exposing their lies. Because there was no way anywhere can say because of structure na ye yenti send the sister Cynthia eduru so say wo ko pensioner ye nya usika ma. It never said that. But to call NDC for platform so and no normal propagating. Now why I say ne na nka me ma ye adwuma bre na me come me pension yes ye nya sika ma me. Where was that said in the which clause? Which of the lines in the just say in shishaye ba ye the line ben the can asem no. Can't afford, don't let us do this so na ye benu ye ho. Now he mama men kan say min kiremo. Mo beka ya ansa na ye be start sa negotiations we no. Wo mo de beto abonten say o sika koyi. Na muntia reho sem bia ewom a de bia meka say NDC nye party ese sanke ma no kwan kra ma no ko rally. Adentia. Hwe onimse Ghana cedi no na atete aba form Utie onim sana Ghana cedi no atete aba fom ti any weight. Enti anka wo koyi se sika no kura na anka de beba abese no kwa because sika no any weight. But said the ebeya ebe cause panic to the economy. Na shocks abeto government na government ho akyere no. Na wo Ghana ni wo ho akyere wo more. Adentia opeso about 2024. You see how they think? We shouldn't do this to ourselves. Ghana, for all jokes aside, all insults aside, all things aside, we should say, with all due respect, we are not doing ourselves no good in our communication. Our communication is still lacking because, listen, we made a mistake with e-levy. You understand? We made a big mistake with e-levy. Instead of communicating exactly what e-levy was about, we allowed the opposition party play politics with it. We kept silence until the point where we saw say, before we started even traveling. When we started even talking to Ghanaians, we go jinawa na ya kan brofo. Shout out to Fatih Abubakar. Oya dear. Sremini ba wo jinawa wo richi edi chirem. Na me papa pon kroma me ame boss. Ma boni si uti jina na brofo sam. Oso nu sabe achimni ayirebi ni wo Eastern region afi wuti chi. Ene yetena ho. And then this for the where the ebegu say ebegu mobile business obi anko yin sika mo obi akura and send bio say me send this car me de befaka ye mo mu ye de confuse nkrofo. We sat down and waited until the thing was already getting out of hands before we started going what down to people, telling them the things that is actually involved in this. For all you know, Sankan Crofo bebreti as ye said there be 11 year GB. Na ya dibia mama mo amu won krasin loan na mo so mo bojo kakra mo ye no matumi de aye as you start echere na. I believe Sankan Crofo and fight it. MPP communication Sanka yetumi ton ye niama 11 no yetumi ton ni ye e na yan twanya echire yansa anka be ha anka we would have been better off. Addo na make us finance ministry started engaging people about this e-levy and yende. And that is one thing that kills me about the citizenry of Ghana. Yeah, you're very hypocritical, and when they hate you or when they don't like you, no matter what you do, the Ghana man, the Ghana woman will not like you.